Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we recreate real recipes published from the 19th century to the 1980s. For our first recipe, we'll be making a First World War era chocolate cake using a recipe taken from the book, A Second Dudley Book of Recipes. To make this cake you'll need 226 grams of granulated sugar, 226 grams of butter at room temperature, 85 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 7 eggs, 113 grams of ground almonds, and 226 grams of grated plain chocolate, plus extra for decoration. Start by preheating your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, which is 375 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 5. To begin making the cake, cream the butter and the sugar together until light and fluffy. Next, separate the eggs. Then, add the yolks of the eggs to the butter mixture one by one, combining each time. Then to this, add in the ground almonds, then add the grated chocolate, then add the flour, and finally the bicarbonate of soda. As you add and combine in the dry ingredients, the mixture does become very stiff, but this will soften up later on once you add the egg whites. Next, whip the egg whites until you're able to form soft peaks. Slowly fold the egg whites into the cake mixture, which is going to become a lot more manageable. Spoon the cake mixture into a prepared cake tin that has been buttered and coated with baking paper. You can either use a 1 pound loaf tin or a 10 to 12 inch round cake tin. Try to leave about an inch or half an inch between the top of the cake mixture and the edge of the tin, as we did find this cake to rise quite a bit in the oven. Bake in the centre of the oven for about an hour. Once cooked through, remove from the oven and leave to cool in the tin for a little while until removing. Finally, sprinkle any remaining grated chocolate over the top of the cake. And there it is, the Countess of Dudley's recipe for a chocolate cake, written in 1914, and as good now as it ever was then. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the look of this recipe and would like to see us recreate more antique recipes, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also find the full recipe on our website, which we provided the link to in the drop-down box below.